Oops.
Burgers. Say no more. Get ready for my irresistible burger. Chop, chop, chop.
That's enough, dear. Calm down.
Watch and learn, Grandma. Let's spicy it up a little. Sauce, of course. Ew, this gives me an idea. Aha!
Oh, honey, fabulous smell.
I am so hilarious sometimes. Blood, I don't feel very well. Now back to cooking. So satisfying. Hello, friend. Oh, stop scaring me. Don't listen to her. She is crazy. Pink cupcake, my favorite.
Aww.
What about some strawberry yum? So nice. Rainbow sugary taste. Oh, I want you so much, but it's a sacrifice I have to make. Wow, all of these delicious sweets in one bite. Amazing!
Time for Granny to show her cooking skills now.
Nothing tastes better than a classic Granny burger.
Nice and healthy. To make big and strong. Here you go.
All of them look beautiful. Let's taste the cute monster first. Wow. This is so hot. I am on fire. Really now? Oh, okay, you look nice.
Wow.
Yummy. It's good.
Oh, I knew she will love it.
All right, this looks like a nice dessert. Marshmallow? I love it. Cool. Yay! The next challenge is something to drink.
Okay.
I got this. First, we need some milk. Guess what color is gonna be? Mixing up this beauty, and let's add candy. All the flavors and colors of the world together. Don't forget the whipped cream. And of course, marshmallows and sprinkles. It looks like a piece of art. Everything starts with a good mug, and my skeleton is magnificent. We need this a bit more bloody. Just how I like it, ha ha ha. Now let's make it more friendly with a whipped cream. Have you ever seen a brain explosion? It looks good, right?
Oh, darlings, please. This is going to be too easy. Now I have been using this technique for millions of years. Mixing this together will give us pure chocolate.
Aha.
This was the mug my granddaughter got me for my birthday. These cookies are absolutely a delight. There we go.
My drink, it's mooah. Oh, this is interesting. Oh, so many flavors. Blia! Ew! Now it's my chance. Hey, no need to be mean. Ha ha ha! I was born mean. Oh, why does this look so scary? Ew, it smells weird too.
Ew.
What? Whatever, girl. Okay, now this drink looks promising. It's a hot chocolate with cookies. So yummy.
I guess we have a winner. Hehe.
Okay, time for our next challenge. Potato chips. Cool, faster.
What?
I can cook for an army.
You are out of your mind, sweetie.
Look how smooth it looks, huh? First, I need to make the right size. Phew. Perfect. Now we need color. Oh, wow. I am going to collect all of our colorful chips over here. Let's cook. I can't believe they look so good. So pretty, wow! I am definitely gonna win this challenge. Ta-da! Amazing!
Girl, come on. Those are not chips. I think Grandma should teach you a lesson or two. First, we cut them all.
Next, we fry them nicely. Marvelous.
Oh, I am so sleepy.
Too old for challenges, huh? Okay, let's do this. Perfect! Ready for cooking. Time for the truth. Perfect. Now let's make it special. Oh. Looks like my tears. Okay, focus now. If you haven't realized, black is my color. I will call it the spider chips. I'm scared of the spiders. Granny, look. What is wrong with you? Ha ha ha. Look at your mess, Granny.
Oh no, they are almost burned.
Ha ha. Cry, Granny. No, don't worry. Here. Let's have a look. Is that a spider? Ew, away. Oh, these chips look just the way I like them. They taste good and classic. Not bad. Oh, my darling. Whoa, are these chips? They look so nice. They taste so good too, wow. Delicious. Yay! She likes my potatoes. That was excellent. I am okay. Okay, next challenge is a dessert.
Oh, bring it on, yeah! The whole neighborhood comes to my home for dessert. Some say I should might have own bakery. And I do think of creating my own book one day. It looks good.
Let's crack this egg. Oh, what is wrong with my egg? Honey! My egg is not working.
Don't worry, have some of mine.
Ah, yay! Thank you, Grandma. You are the best. Let's create something pretty with this. Looks tasty. We need lots of colors, of course. And blue, great! Marshmallows are for every single food. The colors are looking really good. I am ready to make the prettiest waffle in the world. I hope it gets cooked nicely. Da-damn! It worked! Wow, it looks like a painting! I love it! Strawberry jam and marshmallows. Ready. I think it's time for some Wednesday touch. First, we need some chocolate. Then milk. Some eggs. Lovely. Flour. And mixing time. Great, it better taste good. I have a very good feeling about this chocolate waffle. So cool. It looks fantastic. We need some bloody yummy jam. Wow.
Girls, please, you can do better than this. Now open your eyes and watch it, Grandma. Grandma knows best. There is nothing healthier than honey. Of course we can add some chocolate and some sugar as well. But what is better than healthy strawberries? Delightful. See? Now this is a perfect waffle.
It's time. They all look good. This is really nice, actually. Great job. Cool. This is pretty. It's really tasty. Yay! Da-da-da-da, bum-bum. Okay, last one. So delicious. It's great. Good job.
Lovely!
Yay! Yay!
High five, darling.
Bye now.
Whoa, cool! He's so fast!
Wow, not bad. So what now?
And done!
Boring. Time to order something. Cool. Let's see what we got. Wow, now that's a real Rubik's Cube. I'll try Ladybug game. Here we go. Come on, cutie, run to the berries. I'll make the way for ya.
Guys, look!
Hey, where are you off to? Cool! I'll order one too! I can afford that too.